chasing them. Run. Faster. That's not running. Phil, cut the video. Clarky rules. Intelligence.
I know. That's why I passed geography. You're not. That's why I failed geography. Yeah.
Each to their own.
It's advanced.
Boiling TV out.
Auntie, I'll give you blue room.
Granny Smith.
Hello. You alright? What are you doing? The what on the tennis? Oh God, you stupid woman can't multitask properly. Well, I'm multitasking. I'm watching the washer, filming it and talking to you.
Multitasking!
Yeah. Yeah. So don't talk to me about multi-bloody-tasking.
Look, no. He can't help. Be nice.
Yeah. I could always do quadruple multitasking.
I think it's advanced.
It has, I told you.
Did you? When?
Yeah.
No.
When I was on the phone.
I'm just deaf.
Yeah, I know you are.
I'm blind to that man.
Anyway, I'm going to put Chris back on because my ear hurts.
Right.
No, my ear's sweating.
Tip. On you, Doris. To the tip. Come on. So let's drop from
Oh, it's advanced again.
No, it's about blooming time.
Anyway, I'm going to go. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, come on.
God, this camera's red hot.
Well, it's black. It's going to absorb the heat.
Yeah, true.
I like leather. You said it didn't do it all day?
Yeah, I didn't think it would.
Going into cool down.
Oh man.
We can strip the U doors off them. Only need new inlet pipe. Too expensive to fix.
Not cooling down very quick. Kinda needed it though, look at the state of that water.
Meat is not amused.
No.
I wonder how much crap's in the filter.
Yeah, we'll see in a minute.
Not in a minute. We can't see it.
Cool down my ass.
No, it sounds alright.
Yeah. Pump sounds alright though.
No, thank you. There's water.
Doesn't look as dirty though, does it?
Sorry?
Doesn't look as dirty though, does it?
No. It's taking its time to empty.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe the filter's clogged.
Maybe. Or it could be because it's out of level.
That as well. And it goes all the way down there and back up.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden me actually. Hello Robin. It's locked.
Yeah, the machine's had new interlock, new brushes.
And had a fixed interlock.
Oh, it's fixed then.
It had brand new carbon brushes. I edited the motor.
Yeah.
And modified it to my
No, it needs bearings.
Wait, that's really warm. That's cold.
Heat rises.
Oh yeah. Wait a minute, feel the top of that.
Yeah. I think it's gonna...
I think it's gonna blow up.
No. A little spin.
It might do, but quick wash is enabled, so what do you expect?
Don't know.
Find an insert. Tempted to. Oh! That's scared the living daylight out of me.
You're never gonna fix it.
Sorry?
Never gonna fix that.
What?
Oh.
Oh, well I might do. It's easily fixable, just shove a new lump of few wood in there. And the job done.
Need to get the wood. Need to get the wood first.
Sorry?
Need to get the wood first.
I've got plenty of that shit.
Oh, this actually cooled down now.
Well, it's topped up. With all fresh new water in there. It's my water. Bit clearer.
Huh?
Bit clearer.
Yeah. Thought you said pick your flavour.
Yeah, it tastes really nice. Good for my size. It's junk food.
Oh, I think it's cooling down.
What?
It's cooling down.
Yeah, thank goodness. It's gonna rain. Yeah.
Free shower, yeah.
Sorry?
Free shower, yeah.
as well. Right.
I don't know how it's meant to balance, just going one way. Stupid.
No, let's find out. Right, you didn't see me doing this. There's a few cents in there.
It might fill up.
There's like nothing in there. There's nothing in there.
Right.
Stupid.
It should spin if it's taking this long.
Sorry?
It should spin if it's taking this long.
So that's Bendix, isn't it?
Oh, alright.